Hiya, my name's Dylan. I'm a student in Urban Studies and Planning, and this is a day in my life. So today I have two workshops to do, one in urban design and one in computing skills. And then I'm just going to go around, do my shopping, and you'll see what it's like to be an Urban Studies and Planning student here in Sheffield. So as it is England, it is raining at the moment, but the buses are really cheap and really frequent here. So I'm just going to grab the bus down to university. So I'm just here at the Urban Design Studio for my first workshop of the day. For the first hour we're talking about graphical distinction and understanding how to use that in presentations. And the second hour being a bit more practical and doing it for our assessment coming up, and I'm really looking forward to it. So I've just gotten out of my first workshop today in urban design. This is a geography cafe. I come in here sometimes either to get some work done after a lecture or a workshop, or to relax after a session and recharge. Alright, so we're off to the SU now to go grab some lunch. We've just arrived here at the SU. We went to Grill and Go to get some lunch, and I'm now eating it with my friend Ian.
Hi, hello, I'm Ian. I'm also a student here at USP.
Yeah, so we've come to the Diamond today for the second workshop, Geographical Information Systems, GIS. It's a tool we use a lot in the department to map things and to show data, and it's a really interesting session so far. Just finished my computer workshop for the day. It was really interesting. I'm just gonna head off back to Crooks now. Just came up to Just Natural now, which is the greengrocers here in Crooks, to pick up some fruit and veg, some essentials, and I'm out of oat milk, so I'm going to pick up some here. Just got back now, finally got my oat milk, and yeah, I think that was a pretty good day. So thank you for joining me in a day in my life as an Urban Studies and Planning student at the University of Sheffield. I really enjoy studying in Sheffield and in the department. I'm just going to chill out with my housemates now, cook some dinner, watch some TV and relax after a very busy week.